Alright, we're going to unbox the Pittsburgh portable tire changer. These are all the parts that come with it. They give you just enough nuts and bolts to put this thing together, and I think this video will be helpful since the instructions aren't super helpful. So that has to line up that direction, which is wrong in the instructions. So I actually had to disassemble and reassemble this because it shows it pointing a different direction there. And then just snug up all the bolts real tight. They don't give you a torque spec, but I just tighten them, hands tight. So these pieces will all go on and fit together, although they aren't super snug and not machined perfectly, but you get what you pay for. And this has a couple options to mount it. I just used the top bolt there and then the middle bolt on the arm, and it seems to have worked for the limited purposes that I've used it for.